Dear handsome body, dear sacred throat, I love you. I now release all fear, tension, and old patterns. I allow energy to flow freely, calmly, and joyfully through my throat. It is safe for me to express myself. It is safe for me to relax and speak my truth. The universe supports my healing. Cosmic harmony flows through me, restoring every cell. I trust my body. I trust life. I trust the light within me. My throat feels light, open, peaceful, and healthy. With every breath, I become healthier. With every breath, I return to my true self, vibrant, calm, and whole. My voice is free. My spirit is free. My health is perfect. I am already healed. I am becoming very healthy and godlike. I am deeply grateful to the loving universe.